Hi friends, last video sequence of instructions. Now today start working with strings. First one, string concatenation. Joining strings together is called string concatenation. Code A equal to hello world. We concatenate hello plus world hello world. Here string concatenation is possible only with strings. In this code we see an error. Can only concatenate string, not integer. String repetition. Here star operator is used for repeating the string any number of times as required. A equal to star 100, print A. Here we print star 10 times. String repetition. Star operator is used for string repetition. Length of string. Len of function is returns the number of characters in a given string. Len of function is return number of characters in a given string. Username equal to input of len equal to len of username, print length. Here input Ravi, here output is 4. Ravi is length 4. We can access an individual characters in a string using their positions, which starts from 0. These positions are also called as index. String indexing. We access individual characters in a string using their positions. Starts from 0. This is also known as index. Username equal to first letter equal to username 0, print first letter. 0 means Ravi, 1A, 2V, 3I, like that. Index error. Username equal to Ravi, print username 4. Index error. String index out of range. Out of range means here starts from 0, not 1. We get an error because there are only 4 characters in the string and given index is out of range 0 to 3. Remember, starts from 0. String slicing. Obtaining a part of a string is called string slicing. Variable name, start index, end index. Start index from start index and stop at end index. End index is not included in the slicing. String slicing. We obtain a part of string is called string slicing. In this purpose we assign start index and end index. Here end index is not in this slicing. Message equal to hi Ravi, part message. Here start index 3 and end index 7. 7 is not included. Print part 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is R and 6 is I. So Ravi is print. Slicing to end. If end index is not specified, slicing stops at the end of string. If you want to slice end of the string, then we not assign end index. Message equal to hi Ravi, print message 3. Here we do not assign end index, print part. Ravi is print. Slicing from start. If your start index is not specified, slicing starts from 0 index. Here message equal to hi Ravi, print message, start index is not specific, not assigned, then index is 2, print part. Hi is output. If you want to slice from start, then we and in start index is not specified. Checking data type. You can check data type of variable or value using type of function. If you want to check any data, then type of function is useful for that. Print type of 10, class int, like that. And tomorrow concept is type conversion. So please do subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you friends.